Alright guys, so I finally set up the mics. I think I've gotten them to as close as possible to each other without damaging them, hopefully. What I wanted to do is, since I'm not a singer, I'm just going to read to you a passage from the Neumann manual. Alright, so I'm just going to read a passage and I'm going to try to get as close to the mics as possible. The TLM 107 is a condenser studio microphone with transformerless circuit technology. The TLM 107 is a condenser studio microphone with transformerless circuit technology. The TLM 107 is a condenser studio microphone with transformerless circuit technology. My initial impressions are that the TLM 107 does have a lower gain stage, kind of similar to my NTK, so I'm going to have to juice that up a little bit in the future. Alright, on to the next test. Next, I'm going to test out a wind instrument, which I know is uncommon in a lot of these mic test videos, which is precisely why I wanted to do it. So this is a flute, and I'm going to test it on all three mics at the same time. Alright, what'd you think? So that was the flute test. I'm going to test a couple of other different things. I'm going to try some percussion now. Alright guys, so that was most of the instruments that I play, or at least the ones that I feel are the most usable ones. I will post another video with my concluding thoughts on the testing shortly. Hope you enjoyed that, and hope it was helpful.